The secrets to success in affiliate marketing. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to find the right niche. In order to find the right niche and be successful at it, you must educate yourself on what the latest market trends are. This video contains a number of great tips on how to spot areas of a niche market that could be highly successful. An important part of affiliate marketing is choosing a quality product to market. Any recommendation that you make, online or offline, is a reflection on your character. If you're recommending shoddy products or shady services, your site visitors are going to assume you're just another con artist and ignore future marketing attempts. Gaining trust is an important factor to consider for successful affiliate marketing. One way to foster trust is to show a passion for your product. The more personality and excitement you show, the easier it will be to build a trusted following. Building something of a relationship with your visitors now will only boost your link potential in the future. To be a successful affiliate marketer, you have to say no to some ventures. Make sure you can handle everything that's already on your plate before you take on another task, and always remember to only involve yourself in productive tasks that will eventually lead to profits. Leave those maybe tasks for someone else to do. You need to focus on results. As was discussed in the beginning of this video, understanding what the latest hot market trends are is what determines how much success you will have. If you know the right niche market and get in before saturation occurs, you will be rewarded. Apply the advice from this video and you'll save yourself a lot of time when trying to decide what it is you would like to sell. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.